Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Nichols and Tops the Monkey, and we are going to be discussing Encyclopedia of Places. This is a non-fiction book containing real photographs and other text features. So this is part 1 out of 4 parts. So we're going to go ahead and start off with a picture book walk. And again, the title is Encyclopedia of Places. We have a table of contents. We have a lot of beautiful photographs here of different places. Here we have the beach. Here we have a chart showing you things that could be found at the beach. Here we have a photograph of the desert. And here we have a chart of things that can be found in some deserts. Here we have a photograph of the forest. And here we have a chart of things that are found in some forest. Here we have a photograph of mountains. And here we have a chart, things found on some mountains. All right, here we have a photograph of a pond. And here we have a chart of things found in some ponds. Here we have a photograph of tundra. And here we have a chart of things found on some tundra. And here we have another text feature called the index. Okay, so now we're going to read the book to you. The world has many places. Find out about some of them in this book. Beach. All beaches have shores. Things found at some beaches. Desert. All deserts are dry. Things found in some deserts. Forest. All forests have trees. Things found in some forest. Mountains. All mountains are tall. Things found on some mountains. Pond. All ponds have water. Things found in some ponds. Tundra. All tundra are cold. Things found on some tundra. And then the index. Don't forget, boys and girls, go to our website, topsamonkey.com, and get this free downloadable thinking map. I've been calling this different names, but what it is just a graphic organizer where it has 4 different boxes, and you can fill in 1 or 2 boxes, whatever you wish, of something that you've learned from having me read this book to you. Okay? So come back for part 2. We're going to go into more about text features. See you then. Bye-bye.